The entire Nifty team is coming to my house tomorrow for a big party, and I have nothing done. Parties are a big deal at BuzzFeed, and to say thank you to the Nifty team for an awesome year, I wanted to throw them a cookies and craft party at my apartment. These girls are the ultimate party planners, so I'm a little nervous that I'm not gonna be able to pull it off in time and with a baby on my hip. Wish me luck. We are now 12 hours away from party time, and we need to get going. Welcome to our beautiful lactation room. Yes, there's a hole in the wall. I have less than a day to pull off cookies, a DIY project, decorations, and more. I just got home from work. Charlotte, are you ready to make some cookies with Mama? Lots and lots of cookies. I sent out an Instagram poll asking you guys whether I should make M&M cookies or Spritz cookies, and guess what? It's 50-50. So we're making both. Here are some party supplies that I need to organize. I have had these 2 large canisters for flour and sugar in my apartment since college, so maybe since I was 19. They were a big purchase for me at Target, and I've had them ever since. These are gonna be the M&M cookies. I love brown sugar so much. I'm not measuring. It's a candy explosion! Luckily, I made and froze some ginger cookies a few weeks ago, so these are done. We just have to bake them. I'm usually a pretty neat person, but when I get stressed, I tend to explode in multiple directions. I'm trying to clean as I go. It's party day. Ready to get started? We need a few last minute things, so we're running to the grocery store across the street, and it's snowing! You okay in there? We just got back from the grocery store. We're unpacking our things and sort of setting up as we go. Oh my gosh, everything's a mess. But we're gonna do it, right? We literally have, look at the clock. We have 7 minutes before everyone's coming over. I am putting on some makeup. I shoved all of our extra stuff in the bathroom, but I think we might actually pull this off. Ho, ho, ho. You're looking particularly festive, Charlotte. The team is here, they're downstairs. Everyone is on their way up in the elevator. Are you ready? Happy holidays! For the craft project, I went with something simple that the girls could actually use this winter. DIY pom-pom beanie makeovers. Hi Nifty, what are you doing?
Hi!
Hey Ashley, hey Steph.
Pom-pom time.
Hey Kana, Tarn and Deanna. What is our craft today? Pom-pom hats. An orange pom-pom with what color hat?
With a gray.
Okay, Kana, Ashley, what are you guys doing?
Doing this with that puffy blue and also the mossy.
Ooh, that's a very anthropology color scheme.
You know, I have M in there a lot. It's affecting my subconscious. I think I'm going for orange.
I can let you loose in my full yarn stash. Oh, smart, YouTube tutorial. To make a Nifty video. This is the remnants of our snacks. Ashley brought Irish cream, which was a very smart idea because we made Irish coffees. Yeah. Is that how you guys became friends? The pom-pom rug?
Maybe.
Pom-poms together. I don't know. And you made 2 and only 1 was actually
I know. That was bad.
Charlotte's been napping. But we're gonna make our hat once you wake up. Are you waking up, Mama? Hey, sweet girl. Let's go make our hat. Oh my god, did it work? That's actually like a beautifully shaped pom-pom.
It's my first pom-pom ever.
Is that your first pom-pom ever?
No,
Oh, it's so cute.
I love that.
So we have 2 completed hats.
And then I'm gonna take a picture.
Happy holidays!